YouTube, welcome back. Today we continue our series in AWS serverless tutorial. Today we focus on Lambda. Actually, in the next 30-40 videos, it will be only on Lambda functions. Today we will focus on the event in AWS Lambda. Basically, the event is just a JSON formatted document that contains data for a Lambda function to process. Like the runtime, basically the runtime converts the object to the event to an object and passes it to your function code. When you invoke a function, you determine the structure and the context of the code. So let's just see and take an example. So let's just try to delete all of that. And let's just look at this function. And we have something we call an event. We call this an event, and basically the event is just an object that you define that the function will use to execute your code. So an event in AWS Lambda refers to like a JSON formatted input that Lambda function receive when they are being invoked. And this event data contains information about the specific occurrence that trigger the function. The structure event object varies on sources of triggers such as like SS3 events, DynamoDB event, maybe API gateway requests, etc. So let's see how we will do that. So we have this event right now, and as you can see, the function our current functions right now it getting the bucket name, it get the key of the bucket name, and it just to try to get the content type of the specific object. So basically, when we have any file is being updated to a specific bucket, we try to console log what is the content type of this bucket of this file. So and we use the event for this. So let's just see how the event will look like. So let's just try to create a mock event. Let's see, we can create this mock event, and we could create a call the handle. You can just call the handle if you want, like, because it's just a pure programming with the mock event, and it will try to use it. So basically, as you can see here, the event is just the object that the function is used to run this code. And the other thing that we could say about this one is that how you could create the event. You could create the event from the console. Like you could go to in the console for the Lambda functions, and you can create a test event for it, or you can create an actual event, or you can create it programmatically. And this programmatically, I love using it programmatically. So programmatically create an event object like in JavaScript or something like that. You would typically define an object that matches the structure of the event data. You maybe could have because we are right now in Java in JavaScript. If you have a TypeScript, you could have like a type for the event and what the event should look like. And yeah, so basically the event, as we said before, it's just an object, okay? Just an object. It's just a JSON object that the functions, our Lambda function uses to run its code. So it just like that. It's not more than that. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will never miss a video, and see you in future problems.